Teranet is a company that manages services for Government of Ontario and Manitoba. We look after the land registration systems from both a technology perspective as well as managing all of the data sets. So when Ontario and Manitoba citizens are buying or selling real estate properties, all of the transactions are managed through our application, and all of that data is managed by us. We also offer data as a product to a number of financial institutions, a number of institutions in general, for their lines of businesses. Our clients are dependent on our system's availability, integrity of the data, and making sure it's secure, and that's all on us. That's all in IT operations.
We have long contracts from our client base, and we want to make sure that we use the best security processes we can today.
ESI's client approach is a design and architectural process where we determine the requirements for our customers based on their needs. We assess and we meet with our customers to determine optimal solutions based on their business requirements. In our conversations with Teranet, when we did our initial assessment and talked to them about what were their requirements, NSX was a logical fit. It takes the functionality of networking, such as firewall and load balancers and switches, and embeds them into the virtualization product's hypervisor. And this matched up very well to the requirements for this new application that they were putting into place.
We rolled this project out specifically for a new client. What it provided for them was speed and efficiency of change. We had a couple examples where they called us up and said, hey, we need access. Our developers need to get into the system. Can you help us out? And within the same day or within 4 hours, we were able to then give them new access and to give them what they needed, which would have traditionally been probably about a week, because we would have to go back to the security team, ask for the firewalls, go for the firewall rules, change the rules, go through a change request process, and then put it through. This process, we could actually just get it through quite easily and efficiently.
One of the great benefits of implementing NSX in-house is micro-segmentation,
which essentially protects every single server by wrapping a firewall or a virtual firewall around each virtual server.
Now with this feature, Teranet can prove to its clients that actually this application is secure. In addition to that, it's the ease of provisioning networks and other secure applications within that environment. Lastly, it's the ease of integration with other products, whether it's a VMware or other vendors.
And it's a pretty complex process, so it's important to have the right people, the right time with the right know-how.
It's this close relationship that we build with our customers that allows us to truly understand how their applications and how their businesses are run, so that we can make solutions that show that we know their environment and that we're customizing for their requirements.
So from a partner perspective, it was really a couple things: skill and talent, and then the right know-how and to help us be productive.
When it comes to NSX implementation, ESI is the integrator of choice.